The National Weather Service in El Paso has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Dona County in south-central New Mexico. This includes the city of Chaparral, extreme southwestern Otero County in south-central New Mexico, northwestern El Paso County in southwest Texas. This includes the city of Anthony, until 2:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Anthony, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Chaparral by 1:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Wednesday evening for south-central New Mexico.